Hey guys, so I'm gonna assemble this Vanity Beauty station. I got You can get it from Amazon. All the information gonna be in the description below where I bought it with the code if you want to get this to get a discount. I'm gonna assemble it together and you're gonna see how it looks. This it comes with 12 LED bulbs in this box here. It comes in two separate shipments. It's a Hollywood style makeup cosmetics mirror with 5 drawers and 2 organizers, and it can be used as a dressing table, a writing desk, and it's in black and white. So I'm gonna open the box and set it up step by step, and you can see. All right, so I opened the box. As you can see, it's well packed with these foam, so it won't break. And this one also with the mirror. Okay, so these are the components it came with. This is the actual desk here, makeup vanity. So I'm gonna set it up now. This is like card to thank you for your purchase and welcome to the store, and their email. This is like some of the hardwares, screws. This is the manual. Looks like an easy setup, easy to understand. To assemble it, assembly instructions. Okay, so the 4 legs, I'm gonna assemble it. I have the desk upside down because I gotta put in the legs, and all 4 is the same, and it comes with this groove in here, and you can't put it like this or like this. The holes is here and the holes are here, so you gotta fit it inside this piece here, just like this. Make sure it fits in here, and then you're gonna take the long screws with a washer, the big washers, and you're gonna insert it from here, one here and one here. Same for there's 2 on each side with a washer. Okay, so I have the other side to put on, and you don't want to tighten these too tight because you can break this compressed material. And I'm not gonna edit my video. I don't really edit my videos. I'm gonna show you how I go about doing it, making mistakes, setting it back up, and taking out whatever I put the wrong way, so you can actually know what you're doing. Okay, so I put the legs in already, so I'm gonna flip this over, and make sure you put the screws in both at the same time, and make sure it fits in before you start tightening these down, and it's gonna trip. I'm gonna cross thread. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay, so the drawers also has packing materials, and this is the knobs is inside. Just gotta flip it around. Right now I have it, I'm assembling it in my dining room right now. Then I'm gonna take it up in the room. Okay, so these are the extra components it came with to put on the top. But if you want to just leave it as a desk, you can just do that. Just take a screwdriver and screw out and turn off, take the knob from inside, just put it back on, and you can use it as a writing desk or just a dressing table. Or if you want to use it as a vanity, you just add these few components it came in. This was inside one of the drawers, and then you add the mirror on the top, and you can take these off. It's not, you don't have to screw it on top of the desk itself, the table. It screws from behind here, so it's like easy to remove, easy to set up. This is like a simple vanity, but it's like it's nice. Okay guys, so this piece here goes in the back. It mounts right here, these two holes right here, and it has a bunch of holes on it, but the ones with the two, just the two here, this is gonna go like this, and you screw this in the back, and these this is gonna go in the middle, and this is gonna screw on to this here and here. Okay, so the C box gets you screw this from behind here to this, the D plate. This is the D plate, the C boxes, and this is the D. So I already screwed this in here. I'm gonna put another screw here to hold this, and this piece here with this edge has to be inwards like this. Okay, so this B gonna get screwed into this to this D plate behind there with the last two screws and washer. Okay, so everything is in place here, as you can see. So I already put this knob in. All you gotta do, just open this drawer, unscrew the small screw, take this out, switch it around, put the knob outside, put the screw inside. Okay, just like this. So I have to do these three here in the front. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Knob is inside of all three. So I'm gonna add the mirror on top. Alright guys, so this is the mirror right here. So you just gotta slide this in these edge here where the slide this in, and this is a touch screen to put on the light. It comes with the adapter which you plug in the back here, right here. Plug that in. Comes with this extra mirror that you can just put like this on here if you want, and it has different settings for the light. It has cold white, warm yellow, on and off, dimmable. These are the setting right here. Touch, the touch, you can touch it. The M is for this one here, the cold, white, warm, on and off, dimmable, and it shows you how to turn it on and all of that. Okay, so I plugged it in already, so we're gonna put it on. That's on and off. As you can see, colors are nice and white, and they change the color. That's warm. This is to dim it. So there you have it. I'm gonna take pictures with it, with the makeup on it, and I'm gonna leave everything in the comments. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, suggestion. Share the video, and I'm gonna leave the link where you can buy this also in the description. Like I said before, if you like the video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos. If anyone want to send me any item to review and set up, I can always open to do reviews, anything, and assemble furniture or whatever. I'm gonna take some before and after pictures also and put it. And thanks for watching. Okay guys, so this is her vanity right now. It's just a makeshift tabletop glass with some pedestals, and as you can see, everything is all over. So I'm going to show you before and after. That's the ring light. I'm supposed to make one, but I don't get time to make a vanity, so now I got one, and we're gonna move this and put in the vanity and show you the after video and pictures. All this is makeup, needs to reorganize, some needs to donate, throw away, store away.